Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to change Twitch display name on Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we got the Twitch application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitch. After that you can see there is have a symbol in the upper of the left corner. Click on the symbol is. And next you can click the account settings that you can see. Account setting. Click on. And the next step you can click the account in the first things. Click on the account. There is have a 4 option for you. First the edit profile. The second one my subscription. The third one is presents. The last is the about logout of the Amazon Prime. And if you want to switch it, you can click the edit profile. See about the display name and click on the display name. Okay, your display name only change for the customized capitalization. Now about to change the totally your name. I don't know the Twitch why has the rule like that, but you can to just the capitalization. Okay, just capitalization, not to change the all about of your name. And after that if you're done, you can click save in the upper of the right of the corner. You can click save. And now your display name is changed for your Twitch. It's very simple to do it. Okay, I think it's enough how to change Twitch display name on Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.